everyone, Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the review on the live fish-like aquarium type wallpaper, how to install in any Android device. So yes friends, I'm going to show you how to install and which application right now I'm trying to use and what are the features inbuilt which is present in this particular application which I particularly like. That is what I'm going to explain in this entire video. So first thing, if you enjoy this kind of live wallpaper, so make sure to check the playlist which I have created, which is the best live wallpaper of the day. That playlist will give you the clear idea what are the different wallpapers which are available right now. So let's proceed with this kind of wallpaper application. What is a wallpaper application name? What are the features which has got in this application particularly? As you can see friends, where you can actually feed the fish as well. There's that kind of option which is present in this wallpaper especially. That is what I did like. So is the wallpaper application name which is called the Water Garden Live Wallpaper. As you can see, this is a Water Garden Live Wallpaper. And the application size is also not too much big size. I would say definitely it's under 20 MB of size. And if you try to click on open, you'll get this kind of main menu, as you can see friends. So in this menu you do have this kind of small option where you need to tap on the settings option. So try to tap on the settings, and once you're in the settings, here you will get so much of customization where you can actually select from. Yes friends, so much of customization, so which is really unique when compared with other wallpaper applications. So first is checking the background image, what type of image you want. So some people they do like this kind of image, some people this style, some people they prefer this one, and some people they prefer the sandy style. In this way you'll be able to change the different styles, as you can see. So you can see the change how it happened just now. So in this way you'll be able to change the different backgrounds as well. So not only that, there is different customization option where you can use custom background, but you need to pay for the pro version as well. And you can even customize, so what type of size you want, which color you want, how many colors you want. You can definitely enter multiple fishes. As you can see, so many fish you can enter, but few of the fish they are really you need to have the pro version as well, few of them. So you can add up to 9. So you can add up to 9 with different combination of size and colors as well. So all of you will be able to enjoy this kind of 9 fishes in your smartphone for free. Yes, you don't need to pay anything for this, and there are not even any kind of ads at this point. I can find there are not any ads when I'm trying to set up this kind of live wallpaper. As you can see, there is no ads till now, particularly that is what another main thing. Let's focus next settings, and there is another thing which is the number of beds. As you can see, so here you can actually feed the fish and you can keep them healthy. That is what this application says basically. So basically they will give you the 100 free, and after that you need to purchase them. So I think the 100 would be kind of fine. If you want, you can uninstall the application, you can reinstall again, you will get the 100 more. In that way you can do that instead of paying. And so next is the reflections you do have, and floating plants you do have the option, and rainy days as well. So there's so much of customization, as I said. So if you're ready to go back, you'll be getting the floating plants, animation and everything, and rainy days, all these kind of features you'll be able to get it. And once you click apply, done, that's it. As you can see friends, now you'll be able to enjoy the water-like, fish-like wallpaper in any Android device for free. As you can see, even it responds to your water repels as well. Whenever you touch on the screen, it actually responds. That's another good advantage which we got. And every time if you want to feed the fish, try to double tap, and one of the fish will come and it will take the bait. As you can see friends, it's taking the bait, as you can see exactly. So thank you for watching this video friends. This is a small video which I thought of mentioning on this live fish aquarium, how to install, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. And this video I am making on the MI Max 3, which is a 6.9 inch screen. That is the reason you are seeing this kind of big screen. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.